how to use continuity camera on Mac with iPhone. So first step is to just enable continuity camera on your iPhone. So I got the iPhone in my hand. Go to your settings, go to General, and here is the AirPlay and continuity option. We want to enter it, and here you can enable continuity camera. I'm gonna show it to you like this. Continuity camera, make sure it's enabled. Now you are on your MacBook, you are holding your iPhone. Let me just open FaceTime. Open your FaceTime. This is my camera using my MacBook camera. And you want to use your continuity camera, your iPhone's camera, go to your top menu bar to video, and there's gonna be option to use iPhone as your camera. I don't have it here right now because I'm screen recording in other program, but it should be here for you. So if you click that iPhone, it's gonna use your iPhone as a camera. Also in this window gonna be your iPhone's camera view. So do it on your own, it works. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.